What's up, guys? So, long story short, this bike has sat for a while. It will not start, and my guess is the fuel injectors are clogged. So that's what I'm going to do today, is pull the fuel injectors on this MT09, get them cleaned up, and see if we can get her started. I'm going to hold the camera here with like a mouth holder piece and just kind of start taking this joker apart. So just kind of, I'll explain what I can, but if not, for the most part, you should be able to see pretty detailed what I'm disconnecting and what I'm not. So all right, so on this fuel line that goes to the fuel rail, this whole piece just kind of lifts up, and then you got to press in on that blue button there to release it. And that should be dry. I mean, this thing's been sitting for months, halfway torn apart. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do to get to these guys is these two bolts. It's the only two I can see right now, so I'm going to take them out. They are 10 millimeters. So I got those two bolts. They're securing down the fuel rail. I don't see anything else holding it in, so I'm going to gently pull up on this. And there's my fuel injectors. Let me get these unplugged and pulled out, and let's get them cleaned up. Real quick too, I'm going to flush out this rail, because you can see this little piece of gunk right there came out of the rail. So I'm just going to flush out in case there's any more junk in there. Alright guys, so I don't have one of those fancy fuel injector cleaners, so I'm just going to kind of do this I don't even know what kind of way you want to call this, but basically these little alligator clips, I would use these ones that have the covers that you can slip all the way down, because once you hook these clips up to the connections in here, you do not want them to touch, especially when you got power running through them. And then I'm just going to hook them up to the motorcycle battery and then push some cleaner through it with my little modified cleaner stick here. It's just got a little piece of tape here and a little rubber grommet that I have out of a kit to just kind of minimize how much cleaner squirts back at me. So all right, and there's no like positive or negative polarity on, you know, a fuel injector, so it doesn't matter which connection goes to which, black to whatever, red to whatever. All right, so once I hook this up, I'm basically just going to push cleaner through it until I can get a decent, nice stream out of the end of the injector. This one didn't really seem clogged. This one took a minute to get fuel to start coming out the end of that one. So the O-rings on here I just lubed with some motor oil. And I don't know the torque on these. I really don't care. I just got them snug because snug is good enough. All right, injectors are clean. I guess I just need to go get some new fresh gas and put the tank back on and fire her up. See you in a bit. All right, guys, so here goes nothing. I just put the tank back, I put the air box back in the tank, just hooked up the battery, put some fresh gas in it, and here's hoping that was the problem, because this joker would not start.